The great thing about Talent Day is it's an opportunity for students to meet with recruiters and panelists and share knowledge and insights about different opportunities in the future.
One of the main takeaways that I hope to get from Talent Day is a connection with some of the opportunities that are out there, and members from the professional workforce, and obviously a job.
The biggest takeaway is the networking that you're getting with the students, and then practicing your interview skill set, and potentially it may be leading up to a job.
What we are looking for is people with a growth mindset, so people that have curiosity and passion for learning more, for growing with us.
I think I am ready to take a new big step to my career.